Yo, what's up, guys? Hey, Adam McDaniel here with JeepRecyclers.com. Hey, I wanted to take a minute and do a little educational update, or just kind of giving some people heads up here. All right, so when you purchase cab trim on the site, make sure to specify whether or not, or I should say, specifically when you purchase the front windshield trim, make sure to specify if you have a cowl or not. Okay, so basically, if you have a cowl, like this is a J-Series truck, and that's pre-1980, so 1979 going back, you'll have this cowl right here. So, and the reason for that is so this is basically without the cowl, this is with it. So you can see how this really fits in there nice, perfect, nice little set, good to go. And the other one, of course, will not fit at all. So just quick little heads up, quick little update. So make sure when you're ordering cab trim that you are specifying that you have that cowl or you don't have it, okay?